Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharky's Floral and Greenhouses, and today we're going to tackle a few problems with bugs. A bug that I want to address are fungus gnats. You will see them if you are overwatering your indoor plants. And consistently overwatering, the fungus gnats they're in the soil and they'll emerge, and they like to feed on that kind of like that green slimy organic material that's on top of the soil. That's what they're going after. They're feeding on that, and then they're laying eggs in the soil. Now, fungus gnats, when it comes to plants, they're annoying. They're not really detrimental. They can feed on roots. On an unhealthy plant, yeah, they can kind of do some damage and destroy. But on a healthy plant, they're just annoying. But still, again, you want to catch them, and that's the best way is with a sticky trap. So again, the classic Aceta sticky traps, we put these, even in our floral shop, you'll see these little sticky traps. We'll put it here and there, and one, it's a way to monitor if you have any other bugs like aphids or thrips or whitefly. It's a way of monitoring if you have a problem, but also it does catch the adult fungus gnats once they're flying. They're kind of dumb, and they go right to the sticky traps. So they're not the sharpest bug. They go right to it, and you'll be able to see and monitor that. Yeah, there's a few. Now, so for one, watch your watering. You run into troubles usually when you're overwatering consistently, and you get that little mossy skimming on top of the soil. But we use these in our greenhouses. So at a commercial scale, we have great big sticky traps, and it's a great way to monitor what's going on in my greenhouses, whether we have aphids or the fungus gnats or thrips or all these other detrimental bugs that I don't want in my greenhouse. So we do use these in our greenhouses. And so if you have some indoor plants, you might want to consider just getting a few of these as one to monitor, but also two, if you do have any of the fungus gnats, you almost have to catch them. Now, another thing, and you know that I'm a big proponent on a systemic insecticide, and it's just a good thing to get into the habit of putting into your plants and flowers, and that gives that protection from the inside out. So it will kill the larvae of the fungus gnats, but it does not kill the flying adults. Once they're adults and they're flying around, you almost have to get them with the sticky traps. But I like to use Bonide, the systemic insecticide. It's a granular, and you just sprinkle it on top of the soil of your plants. And then when you water, that insecticide goes into the plant, and then it protects the soil and the plant itself from the larvae of the fungus gnats, but then also the really bad bugs, the aphids, the thrips, the whitefly, also things that will go through and they'll munch on your plants and flowers. So we want to just keep that at bay and give that protection of using a systemic insecticide to protect your indoor plants. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.